Good morning, friends, and welcome back to Upcycle with Decoupage, also known as Patio Elf. I'm Upcycle with Decoupage on Facebook and Patio Elf here on YouTube. But I told you guys this week that I was going to show you how to get your inkjet prints to stay more permanent so you can actually decoupage with them. So this video isn't about the project as much as I'm just showing you a little project so that you can see how to do this. So this is what I will show you how I made, and that is actually an inkjet print that I printed from a friend's inkjet printer since I don't have one, and I'll show you how to prevent this from running or bleeding so that you can decoupage with it. All sunny. Let's go. This doggos look Riley. Hey Riley, you want to say hi to Daddy? Where's Daddy, look at you. Look at cool Riley.